Making your girlfriend feel special and happy can be achieved through small gestures and thoughtful efforts on your part. It's important to ensure that she feels secure in your relationship, which is your responsibility as her partner. To make your girlfriend happy, it's helpful to understand her interests, needs, and hobbies. If you're looking for ways to make your girlfriend smile, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share with you 21 fun and creative ideas that are sure to brighten up her day. Compose a good morning message for her. Sending a sweet good morning text message to your girlfriend is a great way to start her day with happiness. You could keep it simple and say, "Good morning," or add a cute message expressing how grateful you are for her presence in your life. A thoughtful message can show your girlfriend how much you care and make her feel loved and appreciated. Bring a smile to her face. Share her favorite poem, book, or movie. It's common for people to have a favorite poem, book, or movie that brings them comfort and joy. To make your girlfriend feel special, take the time to discover what her favorite is and quote some lines from it to her. This small gesture can bring her comfort, make her feel loved, and show her that you care about her interests and passions. Make her breakfast special. Cook her favorite dish. It's no secret that a woman feels loved and appreciated when her partner cooks for her. And when it's her favorite breakfast, her joy will know no bounds. Breakfast is an important meal of the day, and starting her day off with her favorite breakfast, prepared by her favorite person, can make her feel incredibly special. The act of cooking for her shows your love and affection, and it's a simple way to make her day brighter. Surprise her with flowers, a simple and thoughtful gift. Express your love with flowers. How to choose the right blooms for your girlfriend. Flowers can be a great way to show your girlfriend that you care, even if you're not the most talkative guy. Each flower has its own unique meaning, so consider choosing a variety of blooms to express different emotions. For example, roses are often associated with love and affection, while sunflowers can symbolize happiness and comfort. A beautiful bouquet of flowers can brighten up your girlfriend's day. Go for a romantic late-night drive with your girlfriend. Going on a long night drive can be a romantic and calming experience. The endless roads and romantic music can help create a relaxing atmosphere. Furthermore, long drives can lead to deep and meaningful conversations that can bring you and your partner closer together. Surprise your girlfriend with meaningful small gifts. You don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive gifts to make your girlfriend happy. Giving her small, thoughtful items that are useful in her daily life can also be a meaningful and loving gesture. Whether it's a pair of earphones when she needs them, or a set of cozy socks to keep her feet warm, these little gifts can show her that you pay attention to her needs and care about her comfort. Express your love publicly. Holding your girlfriend's hand in public. When you hold your girlfriend's hand in public, it can make her feel secure and loved. It's a simple but meaningful gesture that lets her know you're proud to have her by your side. Plus, it's a great way to show your commitment and affection towards her in front of others. Surprise your girlfriend with a weekend getaway. Planning a weekend getaway can be the perfect opportunity to unwind and spend quality time with your girlfriend. A short break after a busy week can rejuvenate both of you. Choosing a relaxing destination where you can both enjoy each other's company is a great idea. Send your girlfriend songs to make her feel special. Sharing music can be a powerful way to express your love to your girlfriend. Sending her a carefully selected love song can make her feel special and cherished. Spend quality time with her family. If you spend time with your girlfriend's family, it can make her really happy. Getting along with her family will make her feel secure that she has chosen the right person to be with. Surprise her with her favorite restaurant's food. Surprising your girlfriend with her favorite food from her go-to restaurant can be a sure way to her heart. A takeout from her preferred eatery can be a simple yet thoughtful gesture that she will appreciate. If you want to make it extra special, transform your home into a romantic atmosphere by lighting candles and playing soft romantic music. The combination of the delicious food and romantic setting is sure to make your girlfriend feel happy and loved. Express your love through cute text messages. Sending cute and affectionate texts to your girlfriend is a great way to express your love and make her feel special. A simple, "I love you," can make her smile, but adding some cute and personal touches will make her feel even more loved. Here are some examples of sweet and loving texts you could send. "I feel so lucky to have you in my life. Every day with you is a gift that I cherish more than anything. You make my world a brighter place just by being in it. I love you more than words can say." Thinking about you always puts a smile on my face. I can't wait to see you again soon. You are the sunshine in my life, the light that guides me through the darkness. I love you more with each passing day. Organize film evenings. It's equally important to plan movie nights as a part of your quality time together. It provides an opportunity to unwind after a hectic day at work and watch your favorite movies in each other's company. Such cozy and relaxing evenings can bring comfort to your girlfriend and contribute to her happiness in the relationship. Prepare coffee, tea for her. If your girlfriend has a busy schedule and has to rush to work in the mornings, surprising her with a freshly brewed cup of coffee or tea made by you can make her day. It's a small but thoughtful gesture that shows your care and love for her, making her feel appreciated and happy to have you in her life. Wash the dishes. It might surprise you, but most women appreciate it when their partner takes an active role in household chores. If you're looking to bring a smile to your girlfriend's face, consider helping with the dishes. Taking the initiative to put on those gloves and clean the dishes can be a thoughtful gesture that shows you care about sharing responsibilities and making her life easier. Offer her compliments. Compliments have the power to make any girl feel appreciated and valued. Make it a habit to offer your girlfriend compliments whenever you notice something that you admire about her, such as her beautiful smile or the way she smells. These genuine compliments can bring a smile to her face and make her feel happy and loved. Listen to her. Girls appreciate being listened to and heard by someone. It is essential to be attentive when she is speaking, particularly when discussing something she is passionate about or expressing her thoughts and feelings about life in general. Providing her with undivided attention while she is talking is a gesture that she will undoubtedly appreciate and cherish. Include her in your decisions. Being in a relationship involves making joint decisions. While you may be the one ultimately responsible for your own choices, it is important to involve your girlfriend and consider her thoughts and opinions. This gesture of valuing her input and taking her ideas into account will not only strengthen your bond, but also make her feel happy and appreciated. The importance of showing interest in your partner's interests. Even if you're not interested in your girlfriend's favorite TV shows or movies, or find her hobbies unappealing, you can still be a part of that aspect of her life. Demonstrating genuine interest and enthusiasm when she talks about her favorite show or activity can show her that you care about what she's passionate about. It's a way of being supportive and showing her that you value her interests, even if they are different from your own. Share things with her. Sharing things with your girlfriend, whether it's your personal belongings or your innermost thoughts and feelings, is a way to demonstrate your commitment to the relationship and make her feel valued. This openness and trust will foster an environment of mutual vulnerability and lead to a stronger bond. By being open with each other, both you and your partner will feel more comfortable and secure in the relationship. The importance of loyalty in a relationship. In today's world, it can be difficult to find loyalty. Demonstrating your loyalty to your girlfriend can make her feel safe and content in the relationship. This can be achieved by acknowledging your relationship in public or being more open with her, thus reassuring her of your commitment to her and only her. The importance of saying, "I love you," to your partner. Telling your girlfriend, "I love you," is a simple and powerful way to show her that you care about her. These 3 words hold a lot of meaning in a relationship, and expressing them can make her feel happy and appreciated. You can let her know how much you love her by saying it often, surprising her with unexpected, "I love you," and making her feel special. Showing your love in this way can help strengthen your relationship and make your girlfriend feel loved and valued.
Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.